Hi everyone, in this video we will show you what is Real Debrid and how to use it. Real Debrid is a premium multi-hosting service that gives you access to high-speed, high-quality streaming links from multiple live hosts when using apps like Kodi, Streamio, or Cinema HD. It works by unlocking additional premium sources such as 1080p or 4K streams that free users typically cannot access due to bandwidth or host restrictions. To use Real Debrid, create an account at the official website, choose a subscription plan, and confirm your email to activate the account. Open your favorite streaming app like Kodi or Streamio, go to the Settings or Account Integration section and choose to authorize Real Debrid. You'll be given a code. Visit the Real Debrid device authorization page on your browser, enter the code, and link the app to your account. Once linked, Real Debrid will automatically fetch better quality sources for movies and shows, with faster speeds, fewer buffering issues, and more reliable playback. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.